Good morning to our dear panelists. My name is Jolie Lumaco.
My name is William Berna.
My name is Fergie Pascual.
We are here in front to present our research study entitled Examining the Relationship Between Financial Status and Student Involvement Among Senior High School Students in DEL and HS. Introduction. Financial stability significantly impacts a student quality of life, with stable students more involved in extracurricular activities, while less stable students face greater barriers. However, this doesn't mean students from financially precarious homes are yet interested in activities their financial situation limit access.
Universities in Islam, Malaysia, when Shirdawan Nawang is conducting and study to investigate the impact of economic, social, and psychological aspect on money, management, undergraduate student in library, Sembilan, Malaysia, using an online survey.
The study by Subida and Villasenor 2019 in Metro Manila, Philippines found that household income significantly impact academic performance of senior high school students in high-income families, showing better results. The study recommends increased government financial assistance. Financial status impacts student involvement in senior high school activities in DEL. With low-income families have limited resources and opportunities to high-income students have limited opportunities. School must support low-income.
Lisa Pwede. Gloria.
Low income students.
Allergy sa Gloria.
Significantly impact their school environment, causing students that and affecting their ability to participate
Open na lang na.
activities.
The statement of the problem, financial status and student involvement. Hypothesis.
There is not a significant relationship between financial status and student involvement among senior high school students and non-Enrique National High School.
Significance of the study. School administrators, parents, teachers, and students. School administrators.